So I'm making this sink cabinet from leftover materials. So basically I have this kitchen material here from an old kitchen cabinets, and now I'm transforming some of it to other type of furniture. So this is going to be a sink cabinet, and I have the sink here. So I installed these I don't know what's it in English, but I will write it somewhere. So it's soft close. This is birch. I bought it additionally. So I have two drawers, quite deep, and yeah, okay, I have to pull it up a bit. And what I did here, I transformed this drawer a bit. So basically I did this opening here to accommodate the piping, like sewage and water. And also I left some room behind, so I can, this sewage line comes from the center and they go down behind the drawers. So yeah, this is what I did as well. So basically only thing I bought were these birch panels and these soft closing mechanism. Other than that, it's all like from a kitchen island. So now I will sand it down. There's some kind of damage here, but no worries. So I'm removing this white stain or lacquer in order to get the clean wood, so I can stain it with another tone. So basically I sand off this stain by using two sanders. Like this is belt sander. It's actually more efficient. Makes the job faster, but this one is better to to clean these like corners, and inside it's more like more flexible, but they both work, so I'm using them both. So this one I will use later as well to have this like smoother finish, but yeah, almost done with this one.